Ken Matlala wenza i-plea deal ne-IDEC okuyi-NPA benza isivumelwano sokuthi uzowavuma amacala akhulume lonke iqiniso elenzeka ukuze athole leya tender ka-360 million rand kwi-SAPS. Akhulume lonke iqiniso, implicate abantu okufuneka ba-implicate in exchange for i-sentence ka-15 years, then u-7 years uzoba suspended asale no-8 years. Siyazi ngokwase-South Africa uma ugwetshwa u-8 years usuke uzohlala 4 years ejele unless unama-federal charges, kodwa nje ekugcineni kosuku bezoba u-4 years ozobe usejele. Ngempela-ke lahlala udaba lethula phambi kwamagistrate. Imantshikithe esililalela udaba yayise makufuneka ikhiphe isinqumo yathi no, it's not in the best interest of justice ukuthi uKurt Matlala angathola isentence u-8 years. Kungcono kungamane kube u-12 years. Ngakho-ke i-NPA noKurt funeka baqale phansi bokwenza isivumelwano kabusha ngoba at least maku-12 years esejele. Namuhla-ke bekulolo suku lelo lapho uKurt bekufuneka afike khona njengoba wayeseplede guilty, ebekufuneka afike khona sebesho ukuthi bavumelane ngani ukuze ezokwazi ukuthi ideal yabe iyaqhubeka, kodwa yena ufike eseshintsha umqondo wathi cha, akasaqhubeki naleso sinqumo leso. Kunalokho ngcono icala libuyele ngala, abuyele kulabo accuser ebeka asolwa nabo okubalwa kuwo uGeneral Fani Masemula kanye nabanye ogeneral basemaphoyiseni abawu-12.
We withdraw from the plea, which my client just wanted to know about the practical, the way forward practically, what's going to happen. He didn't have full details.
Thank you. Mr. Matlala, I've been informed by counsel on your behalf in respect of yourself, accused 2 and 3, that it is your choice to withdraw from the plea and sentence agreement as you decline to accept the court's recommended sentence. Do you confirm in respect of yourself that is the position? Accused 2? Do you confirm? Yes. And accused 3? Thank you. The plea and sentence agreement is to be regarded as null and void. Date?
The 11th of September 2026, Your Worship.
Which the date was not discussed with me. If you can just bear with me, please.
Sure.
Ngobuzwa ukuthi uKurt uthi uya-withdrawa from i-plea deal ngoba engahambelani ne-recommended sentence ka-12 years eyalethwa inkantolo. Ingakho-ke thatha isinqumo sokuthi cha, yena uya-withdrawa kule case. Njoba uzwa bethi udaba lwakhe ufuna libuyele enkantolo ngomhla ka-11 kuSeptember, kodwa ummeli wakhe ukhala ukuthi ubengaziswanga ngale date. Ngakho-ke usafuna ukuthi akhulumisane ne-team le ye-state. Okunye futhi okubalulekile okushiwo inkantolo la ukuthi the sentence ne-plea la yenzile, because khumbula ukuthi uKurt pleaded guilty ukuze kugcine kufika kulesi vumelwano sokuthi uzogwetshwa lesikhathi esingango-8 years. He pleaded guilty, kodwa manje njengoba esho ummeli wakhe ukuthi bafuna ukwazi the practicality yokuthi njengoba withdraw kuzokwenzakalani. Inkantolo ithi cha, njengoba withdraw leya plea leya is null and void, ayisabalwa ndawo, angeke afike kule cala ngale kuthiwa wena walivuma icala, cha, kuhoxisiwe konke lokho. I-NPA ikhipha istatement emveni kokuba sedlule lo daba sebephumile enkantolo. Sizosifunda istatement kanti naye uKaiser Kganyago o-spokesperson we-NPA ukhulumile nabezindaba. Ngizokucaphunela ivideo yakhe uzwe.
Own evidence, if it leads to all of them again, therefore they will be arrested as per the way we did with the other ones. Obviously, we don't know what is happening behind the closed doors somewhere. Therefore, we will just take it as it is. That's why, if you see, the magistrate doesn't only take what the lawyers are saying. They've got to confirm that you, as the accused, agree. And that's what was important. And therefore, we really do not want to speculate on what the reasons might be. We had a deal arranged and finalized. The only thing that changed was the sentence. Therefore, we expected him to accept it, but we don't know what would have happened behind closed doors.
Do you felt as though that he was willing to comply? I mean, he did initially plead guilty to those 7 counts.
Yeah, definitely we thought, obviously, we wanted that to happen because we wanted to move and finalize this case. It's not only because of the people that we're going to get, but also it will reduce the time to deal with this matter because now we don't have to go all the way and then deal with this matter. It will be in our interest that this matter is finalized quickly. But now it means we are going full force with the matter, and then obviously we will see how it goes.
Mr. Kganyago, this is certainly quite a big blow, because you would remember that the presiding magistrate, in handing down that judgment, basically spoke about Mr. Matlala being the kingpin, having done this out of greed. He was the chief orchestrator, if I can, of everything that happened. He started the process. He was the one who paid gratification to other individuals who've now also been dismissed from the South African Police Service. So this is quite a blow in that the main man, I would say, that the NPA was looking for, and you believed that today would bring some finality to the matter, basically bombed.
It is a blow in as far as the police is concerned, but not in as far as the matter, the case is concerned, because you must remember, because of all of those things that the magistrate said, he was already accused number 1 in the other case. And that is purely because we believed even there that he's the mastermind behind the whole thing. That's why it is the other cases, Matlala and others. Therefore, we still have evidence against him, and he knows that we have got the evidence against him, and that is why he's accused number 1. And we are saying, let's go to the other matter and then make sure that we get conviction on that matter.
Eqinisekisiwe ukuthi bazobuyela enkantolo ngomhla ka-11 kuSeptember. Njengoba ukuzwa ukuthi ubaba uKaiser Kganyago spokesperson we-NPA ethi ngesingabo bebefuna ukuthi nje sheshe edlule lo daba basave nesikhathi ngoba vele ukhethi banebufakazi against yena. Futhi bese bevumelene ngakho konke, ingakho ukhethi evumile into angahambelani nayo isentence. Isentence le eproposal magistrate. But 12 years ubezohlala 6 years ejele. Azi ukuthi udlulile amanasa abhekana lamanye amacala ngoba njengoba bevele kuleli cala leli elithinta itender lapho attenda khona no General Masemula no Brigadier nabanye general dinabo accuse abayi-17 icala lakhona, nabo accuse abayi-17. Bekuzokwenza ukuthi kwalona leli acala lithetheke kalula ukuba ukhethi ubeyithathile le deal ngoba ubezokhuluma yonke into, asho ukuthi wadizela bani kanjani, wakhuluma nobani, ubani wenza ukuthi. Ukunombuzo obalulekile ukuthi kunabantu abaze baxoshwa emsebenzini ngenxa yakhe, okubalwa kuyo njengabo Major General Shibiri. Ungomunye wabantu abaxoshiwe. Brigadier Mantsheng ungomunye wabantu abaxoshiwe ngenxa yokuthi kunemali abayithatha kukhethi. So uma ngabe bekutholakala bekuzokwazi ukuthi akhuluma iqiniso. Manje sekufuneka kusetshenziswe ubufakazi loba bathi banabo ukuze bekwazi ukuthi bamthole kuleli cala. Angisiboni isidingo sokuthi sifunde le statement esivela ku-NPA ngoba social lento ade isho vele ubaba uKaiser Kganyago. Azi ngithe mangizwa le ndaba le kakhethi ngavele ngabona ukuthi u-Advocate Andrea Johnson ubefanele ukugula, nami bengingagula ngenguye ngoba Friday implicated kufike kwafika abantu lapha benza ama-allegations ngaye, funeka azophendula. Namhlanje sekuvela indaba zithi ukhethi uhoxile, nami inhliziyo yami ibizoma ngoba at least mangazi ukuthi ngiyodila nama-allegations abhekane nami. Manje sekuvela nezinye indaba bese ngithi ngiyawina, mina ngimsoli. Ukube nami bengu-Advocate Andrea Johnson bengizogula, angisho ukuthini kodwa, akukho engikushoyo, kodwa nje ngiyabuka nje nami ukuthi sizwilene umbiko futhi siyazwelana naye, kodwa nje mina ngisey'cathulweni zakhe mhlawumbe bengizomelwa inhliziyo. Beyofika udokotela athi lo muntu engakwazi ukutestify, umelwe inhliziyo ngenxa yokucabanga ngoba phela bese beyitshethi badlulile kulolu daba, bese beyitshethi badlulile kulolu daba. Angibambeke le video ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Kodwa ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwi-video elandelayo. Ungasisupport ukuba member le channel. Ungasisupport futhi ukusidonatela noma ngamalini ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe.